Hello, boys and girls. Be kind to each other today. Okay, there's my pot. There goes my meat. Let me get my glove. I'm so bad. This is my little piece of ground beef for my little hamburger I'm making. And then I'm going to toss in my special favorite friend, and that's garlic. And I'm not going to be stingy because I love flavor, boys and girls. Okay, I'm going to put my little onion powder, not stingy because I love. Now I'm going to add in some cheddar cheese, some onions, and some green pepper. I don't know why, but I want soy sauce in my burger. Don't know why. Don't know why. Soy sauce in my burger. I don't know if there's a taste I'm looking for or not. Really don't know. I think this bottle is coming to an end. Maybe I should make it to an end and just open up the next one. Okay, now I don't know if I need anything else in there, but I don't like beef all over my hands. Just in case I need another one. Yep, you saw that. I don't care. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, this is going to be too big of a cheeseburger, though. Too big of a cheeseburger. But one of the reasons why I always wipe my stove down is because you just don't know what you're touching. And all of that stuff that people touch that don't realize and go into their food. And someone I was speaking to a few weeks ago, a few days ago, had a stomach mess up. Okay, there's something I'm missing. I just don't know what it is. I'm looking around here like somebody took something from me because something needs to be in this. Let me smell. Something needs to be in here. I know, wait, you know what? I know what I need. I know what I need. I don't know if I need it or not, but it's what I want. I don't know if I can eat a hamburger with that on it, but let's make sure the hole is on the middle. One little. I just feel like having something, and I don't know what it is. I'm going to put a very small amount of that in there. Very small. Very small. I'm hoping that this burger shrinks down a little bit because I didn't really want a big burger. Matter of fact, I'm just going to make 2 smaller burgers. Just make 2 smaller ones. And I'm going to make it nice and thin because I need that onion cooked. I need the onion cooked. I cannot even explain to you how bad I wanted some beef, but the price of beef was so terrible that I didn't buy it for a while. But now I have a whole lot of it. Pop all over me. Time to have a sample. I know those of us who love hot sauce. But I do know some people won't have a hot sauce till they actually try their food. Look at the cheese in there. Woo! Mmm. Boys and girls, I'm telling you, it is so amazing when the smallest piece of spice can make your food taste so good. Mmm, so good. Mmm. Today is President's Day, I think it is, or yeah, something like that. Mmm. 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 Woo! I don't know why I put soy sauce in this meat, but damn if this soy sauce is not good. Woo! Mmm. Mmm. The soy sauce, the green peppers, the onion. I mean, how much? Can you imagine if I had to pay for this outside? Oh boy! I saw somebody's pay. I think $17.99 for a hamburger. I said, ooh. Mm. 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 I would never tell you not to spend $17 on yourself, though. That's what you want to do. I rock with you. I wish I could have a bite of that damn burger, to be honest. Yep. My favorite burger in the world is White Castle's, and White Castle's is what maybe $2 and change. So I don't think it really matters what the price of the burger is. If it's good enough and you like it, you deserve it. Me, I don't want a $17 burger. I want to be able to make a $17 burger. So I can make more than one for $5.99 a pound. I kid you not. I don't know if I'm stingy sometimes or if I'm just frugal, but I'd rather $5.99 for a pound of meat than that $17 burger. Mm, 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 mm. The, the only thing that could have made this burger better is if someone else cooked it for me. Sometimes you just want to sit down and observe, you know? Oh my goodness. But my belly full already. Can't eat much more. I think I'm gonna have to ask myself, do I really want this bite or do I need this bite? Because I'm really not gonna be one of those people to say I want this bite. Can't do it. I have to allow myself the comfort of loving myself, and loving myself is when I need to say no. Absolutely. So I will take my little cover, put it over my burger, and I will be back to nibble, nibble, and nibble. I don't have the capacity. It's just not in me to sit down all the time and eat a whole plate of food. I just can't do it. I just need to know that I ate to give myself nourishment and kindness, because kindness is a blessing, and a blessing is a plate of food. But I don't have to eat the whole plate to make me feel like I'm blessed. So I'm thankful. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm standing here for one reason and one reason only. I really want that next bite of the burger, but I would be feeding my eyes. My mother, she's used to feeding us our eyes. I don't want to feed my eyes. I want to feed my belly. Anyway, thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thumbs up and thumbs down is always welcome. What I would like to say is I'm working on a freebie. I don't know if it's going to be for this channel, if it's going to be for Facebook, but I am going in that room to make earrings and a bracelet to go together, where I'm putting it with my eBay things. So I'm like extremely overwhelmed with joy. I want to watch TV, but I can't watch TV and record at the same time. So I'm trying to say to myself, which one do I really want more of? But if I'm doing my bracelets and then I'm watching TV and I'm not looking at the screen, then what am I actually doing? Listening. So I think I'm going to put on Kirk Franklin and then do some bracelets, and then when I'm ready to watch TV, I'll get from out the craft room. That's why I'm trying to figure out, because a friend of mine actually doesn't have a TV, and I'm trying to think if I feel like she deserves my TV, because I can't watch the TV and actually move my hands, because what I'm actually doing is listening to the TV. So, there goes that. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and thank you so much. Bye bye.